Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn how to set up our vacation settings on our eBay account, especially right now in holidays. So we're gonna click in our username and then we're gonna click in account settings. We're gonna go to this menu, we're gonna scroll down where it says selling, we're gonna click in time away. Here we have different options. We can, for example, personalize automatic response when the customer write us. We can put a start date, an end date. We write the message that we want and we click apply. In this case, we're not interested, just click time away, and then here we can click edit time away. We have here two different options. We can pause ourselves for 30 days. So basically, we will not have any sales, but our auctions will have sales. We can click select a start date and end date. We have a maximum of 30 days. And then we have our second options. We can allow sales. So basically, we can still have sales, but up to 15 days. So there's going to be a message that will be show up to the customers that we are away, we are attending our business actively, but they can place the order. They will be notified that we will ship the order in the end date. So here we can select the start date when we want to start our holidays, and we can select the end date here, and then we click apply. So our listing will be automatically in holiday season. So yeah, I want to show you this, especially right now we're in Christmas, and this is a useful tool if you want to go holiday. Thank you for watching and see you next time.